In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a regression trend on Tradingview, quickly and easily. Let's dive straight in. To begin, ensure you're on your Tradingview chart. This is your main workspace, and from here, we can access all the tools we need. Now focus your attention on the upper left corner of your chart. This area is your gateway to various tools and settings. It might look a bit crowded initially, but don't worry. As with a little guidance, it will soon become familiar territory. Here, you will find the Trendline tool, which is instrumental in creating our regression trend. Once you've identified the Trendline tool, give it a click. It should provide you with a drop-down menu that lists various options. From this list, locate and click on Regression Trend. This step is crucial because it sets the groundwork for applying the regression trend to your chart. Next, you'll need to establish the parameters of your regression trend, starting with the first point on your chart. Click on this point to begin marking the range for your analysis. It's like setting the start of a line that you want to analyze. Once you've established your starting point, it's time to move to your last point. Click on this point just as you did before, and voila! Your regression trend is now created. It bridges the gap between your selected points, forming a line that visually represents the underlying trend within the chosen range. With the regression trend now on your chart, let's talk about what it can do for you. It's more than just a line. It vividly illustrates the general trajectory of your data over the selected period. Whether it's an upward or downward slope, it sheds light on price movements or other relevant metrics. One of the fantastic aspects of Tradingview is the ability to customize tools to suit your style. If you wish to modify your regression trend, simply click on it to access customization options. Explore these to see how you can tailor the appearance and parameters of the trend line. Another tip, consider using templates and adjusting the line tool width to enhance visibility. Templates can save you time if you frequently apply the same settings, while a thicker line might stand out better, depending on your chart's background. Lastly, let's briefly cover some management options. After customizing your trend line, you may want to click on Settings to lock your settings in place, ensuring no accidental changes are applied. If the trend line is no longer needed, there's always the option to remove it. By using regression trends, you're able to gain insights into the broader trends over time, which can be invaluable for making informed trading decisions. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide to creating regression trends on Tradingview helpful. Happy charting!